Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A Tesla charging station uses different light colors to communicate its current status, and a blinking blue light usually indicates that the charger is waiting to establish a connection with the vehicle. If the charging process doesn't begin as expected, the issue may be related to the charging cable, vehicle connection, power supply, or communication between the Tesla charging station and the car. The good part is that many of these situations can be checked quickly without advanced troubleshooting. In this video, we'll go through several simple steps that may help resolve a Tesla charging station blinking blue and get charging started normally. Try these. Step 1. Reconnect the cable to the Tesla charging station. Step 2. Check vehicle connection to the Tesla charging station. Step 3. Inspect the connector on the Tesla charging station. Step 4. Verify power to the Tesla charging station. Step 5. Restart the Tesla charging station. Step 6. Test charging from the Tesla charging station again.